Hi, it's Sonia. Welcome back to Westport in beautiful Sydney, BC. It's a great sunny day and I've got a ton of boats to show you. Next up is this fantastic Sabreline 36. Just been listed and everybody it seems this year wants a trawler style. This boat has 2 cabins, 2 heads, and just a really neat layout. So come on aboard and have a look. So the great thing about the Sabrelines is that they've got these great side decks where it's actually really easy to walk around. They've got nice big high coamings here for stability for your feet, but also a handrail if it gets rough. The great thing about this boat too is that you can access the side decks on both the port and the starboard, which means that it doesn't matter which side you're docking on. You can always talk to the helmsperson if they're standing inside. And on a hot day like today, you get the cross breeze too. Come on inside and have a look. So the Sabrelines are known for their really high quality build, and you can see that in all the beautiful teak. When you sit in this main cabin area, you're surrounded by windows, which means that it really brings that beautiful outside in. The nice full-size galley with a full-size fridge. Aft master cabin is back in the aft quarters there. It's got its own head with its own separate shower stall. And then forward here is a great big V berth, and it's got its own head too. So whether you're cruising with guests, kids, grandkids, lots of space for everybody. Really comfortable. This is the Sabreline 36. So give us a call at our Sydney office if you want to come and have a look at Moxie, because best of all, she comes with assumable moorage at our beautiful Westport Marina. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.